Hello, this is Shubhang and welcome to Code Decoder. So today we are going to learn JavaScript functions, the basic functionality of JavaScript using function. So I have created a HTML document which is here. I've just created a simple things like h1 tags that containing a h1 heading, then s2 heading, then paragraph mode and a button. So we are just going to change the color of this paragraph by clicking on this button. You can see here the paragraph is here and the button is here. When we will click on the right button, the color of the paragraph will change. I use this simple CSS, nothing else, and I have also written this code. So this code is completely working in a working mode. Let me once again refresh it. Give me a second. There are some issues. Let me check it. Okay, really sorry. Actually, my button ID is BT and not button. Now it's completely fine. You can see that it is completely working now. So I will just erase it and understand the HTML code. So first of all, we need to fetch this and this ID here. What we will do, they both are using ID. So we can let demo is equal to document dot get element by ID, then demo. We'll also check it like is it working or not. So we use console.log and print it. So if we will check the demo should be printed here. It is completely fine. Let me comment it because we will use it in the future. Then we will again fetch the ID of button. So we will call it btn to document dot get element by ID and its ID is btn. So now we'll check the btn. Let me uncomment it and check it using comma btn is. We can see they both are printing here and data has already been fetched completely very smoothly. So what we are going to learn, we are going to learn add event listener for this method. So we want to listen the event on btn when someone will click on the btn. So we will use add event listener function with btn. So we will type here btn dot add event listener. Then what element do we need to listen? Click event. Then we'll call a function. Actually we haven't decided any function here, but let's call it. Then we will type the functionality. So we'll call it change color. Alright. So now we will create a function change color. The function already is now ready, and now what we need to do, we need to change the color of the demo ID. So we'll write a demo dot style dot color is equal to whatever color you want. I just write it red here as a random color, and now the function is ready. We can see that there is no error in our console, so the function will completely work here. I'll click here. The function is calling from here. So this is the function body. What we have created here, we just fetch the ID of demo. The demo of this paragraph, which is containing this line executive function when a user clicks on a button. Then an ID of button. Button is we are fetching it because we just want to use this functionality or when somebody will click on the button. So we fetch the button and demo. Then we are listening a event when a particular person or anybody will click on the button. So button dot add event is a predefined function. Then the event that we want to listen is click here, and the function that we want to call is a change color. And here what we are doing, we are deciding the function what is then the function name. Function start with the function change color, then the ID of demo, then dot style, then dot color is equal to red. It is a function chaining because what we are doing, we are adding functionality by using the dot methods. All right, this is a basic function. Let me undo it. Another thing that we can do, we can generate a color by using uh, whatever the functionality do you want to change, like demo dot font size, sorry, demo dot style dot font size, yeah, is equal to, if you just want to make it more large, let's use 60 pixels. As you will save it, somebody will click on it and it will change the color. You can see there is no error, the function is completely working fine. If you want to make it smaller, you can type here 10 pixels, it will completely work here. So this is the basic understanding of function. Let's understand deep dive of the functionality of function in JavaScript in the next video. Thank you.